Okay, we're back in functional programming Scala, solving the exercises by documenting the struggle. So, if any given person hopefully gets, like some motivation, I don't know, inspiration. Oh, we did have this concurrent viewer for like a moment, but it, it always, someone always enters and then leaves. Okay, at this point, I don't know how we are going to test these functions because these are like related to they are using the concept of randomness to exemplify stateful APIs in writing, purifying stateful APIs, writing, things like, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, and the first one, of course, I read this thing yesterday. I don't quite remember. Yes, yesterday. And I did. I this is on the video description. So yeah, let's do it. Write a function that uses RNG next int to generate a random integer between 0 and int max value inclusive. Make sure to handle the corner case when next int returns int bin value, which doesn't have a non-negative counterpart. I'm not sure if this non-negative int is going to be inside the simple RNG data type or outside, to be honest. Uh, I don't. I'm not sure. The book doesn't mention this thing next in, but let's do it outside and see how it goes. And then, but then again, I will solve it hopefully, and I'm not sure how we are going to test this. Well, in production, you will use a seed. For example, I exemplify the Scala check. There are ways in which you can provide a seed to have a deterministic result. Yeah, for the random tests that are generated for you. Um, this is like uh, this is from the book, the starter code. So I will write def um, non-negative int and receive g of type g, and that's all. And it gives you back int LNG. Let's let's write something simple. LNG. Next. Next thing gives you the thing you want. So let's see if this compiles. Let's have let's call this function. And let's call non-negative with RNG, which is here. And let's print N1. And it is this number, it's over here. This is the one. So perhaps we have a way to test this thing because we are going to get a negative in the third call and the second call. In the second call, we are going to get this. So yeah, we will have a way to check if we are returning only positive numbers. For example, if we get rid of this and instead use this, let's use this code. I'm going to copy paste this thing. And of course, if you want, these are like a live coding session about problem solving these exercises proposed in the book. But if you want to understand what's going on, please consider buying a copy of the book. This is a good inversion of your money, in my opinion. This is a great book. If it's too difficult for you, mm, there are other ways in which you can start very simple and build your knowledge. And let's shut up and solve the problem first. We are going to print N1, 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 and 2. You see, we have this negative. So now we can tackle this because we know that we are going to get a negative eventually. But still, we need to think how we are going to test these functions because perhaps the thing will get complicated. Are you still there? Yeah. My God, 10 minutes. Yeah. Well, let's use this. Well, result. or generated, and RNG prime, RNG next int. Since this thing is also returning a tuple, like next int, so we need to with generated. Since I'm tackling several programming, quite well, a few programming languages throughout my day, sometimes I want to put parentheses in here. Yeah, generated equals. For example, I was about to put this for JavaScript. Int mean, oh, great, mean value, because it's being mentioned over here. Then something else we can oh, our apps generated. Um, G value here. We're going to return new value. We're going to assign that arbitrarily. Um, this doesn't mean that these numbers are the same in reality, you know. But in computers, you have to take a decision. LG prime. I think we're going to do if or no, the thing decompiled. So now space already. So let's use non-negative. Non-negative int with RG, and here let's use non-negative int with RG2 and print the results. And as you see, we got rid of the negative number, which is this branch. That doesn't mean that we have tested this function. You shouldn't be that confident because books are everywhere. But again, I don't have right now a strategy to test this function. We're going to make some progress in this chapter. For example, 5 exercises, and perhaps we will take a look at the answers to see if our answers are like their answers, or maybe we are going to take a look at their website, the official GitHub repository, to see what kind of test they are using. Other than that, this function is solved practically. So we're finishing right now. It's very simple. Now you're using the next in. The only thing that you can add is that this function should be inside, but the book doesn't mention that. So in the next session, we are going to pass this function inside this simple RNG inside to put it inside. Negative int, simple. Yes, most likely this is going to be inside. But we will do it in our next session. Uh, Thank you very much. I'm going to prepare for my taking a walk and just to decide if I'm going to run. Oh, this person came back and it leaves again. So what kind of perhaps I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, thank you very much and see you in the next exercise. I'm going to save this and yeah, bye. See you in the next one. Thank you.